Hey y'all, making hummus for lunch, and I had some requests to show the blender a little bit more up close and personal. You don't need to see me anyhow. So this is our white bean hummus, and all it is 2 cans, well, I'm actually making a double recipe, but 2 cans of great white northern beans, the juice of a lemon, and 6 tablespoons of olive oil, a clove of garlic just peeled, and about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Just throw that all in there, put the lid on, go to the grind setting, and let it do its work. Because I forgot to get my tamper. Ouch. I just ran into the dishwasher. This is why we are the Pampered, not Perfect chef. So remember with the tamper, you don't want to use it more than you need to because it's important that that vortex actually works. Now, I actually like my hummus a little chunky, so I'm going to test this. My family likes it a little bit smoother, so I might take some of it out. But look how good that is. Thick, delicious, full of flavor. Actually, I think this is perfect for me. I use this as spreads on sandwich instead of mayonnaise and that kind of stuff. Dips for vegetables, spread on crackers. So if I wasn't talking, this would be about 2 minutes worth of time to get my healthy lunch ready. Let me know if you have any questions.